awaited National IVF Excellence Award 2026. And here we are after a full day of learning, sharing, and meaningful conversations. I must say, I thoroughly enjoyed today's sessions. It was real scientific and industry treat, and I'm sure everyone in this room has taken back something valuable. Without wasting much time, because we are already behind our schedule, I have been asked to finish my welcome address within 3 minutes. I'll try to do that so. Before I speak about awards, I want to share a personal incident. Although I shared it during last conference as well, but there are some new faces, and this is very relevant as well. But before that, I want to give you a context that quickly, I'm a serial entrepreneur. I built a hospital chain for tier 2, tier 3 towns of India. I built 12 hospitals. I exited after building 12 hospitals, and now it's a 30 hospital chain. Post that, I built another health tech startup. So I'm part of startup community as mentor, as investor. And the context is that in 2017-18, I did one executive education program at Harvard Business School, Boston. And story is that 2024, I went for reunion to New York, where all my batchmates, 70 batchmates were gathering. And during one of the conversations, I told that we are doing an IVF summit. And I was talking about IVF summit of 2025. And one of my friends, who's an American, he laughed at me. What are you talking about, Dr. Nishal? You are already the most populous country. What are you talking about fertility in India? And that's when I told him that I agree that we are a country of 1.4 billion people, but this number hides a painful truth. 1 in every 6 couples faces challenges of infertility. While we talk about population pressure, we rarely talk about emotional, social, financial burden of infertility. In many parts of India, infertility still carries stigma. And I have been hearing all day from all eminent speakers that it's a big taboo even today. So, because the real question is not about population, it is about giving every couple the right to hope, the right to science, and right to choice with dignity and safety. Although I'm not an expert of IVF or reproductive medicine, I'm a physician by training. I did my MD medicine way back in 2004. But I'm passionate about preventive healthcare, public health, and I'm sure that with lifestyle changes, we can change a lot of things. But the way we are moving as humanity, I think after 50 years or say 75 years, every baby born in this country or on this earth will be an IVF baby. That's how I think. And that is why the work being done by all of you matters. It matters a lot. And that is why this summit matters. And that is why these awards matter. So let us take a moment to acknowledge and celebrate the outstanding individuals and organizations who have made a meaningful impact in the field of reproductive medicine. I want all of you to give yourself a big round of applause. Before I conclude, I would like to thank our jury members, Mr. Madhur Singhal, Dr. B.K. Rana, our guest of honors, Mr. K.R. Chawla, Shobha Tuli ma'am, Dr. Satyajit Kumar. I would like to congratulate all the awardees in advance for their well-deserved achievements. Thank you, and let the celebrations begin. Thank you very much.
For the award ceremony. Now I would like to welcome our jury member, Mr. Madhur Singhal, Director and CEO of Praxis Global Alliance, a respected business leader and strategist. Mr. Singhal has played a significant role in driving innovation, growth and transformation across industry. Please give him a big round of applause. We would like to present a token of appreciation to our guest for his contribution for the National IVF Summit and Awards 2026. Can we have a big round of applause for Dr. Madhur Singhal? So we request you to kindly stay back for the award ceremony. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin with IVF Awards as we celebrate the excellence, innovation and leadership. Starting with the first category, Emerging Embryologist of the Year East. And the award goes to Mr. Ashutosh Mishra. He is being recognized for his promising contribution to the field of clinical embryology and assisted reproductive technology. A biopsy certified embryologist, he has demonstrated expertise in IVF, ICSI, embryo biopsy, cytopreservation and laboratory management. Thank you so much, sir. Our next category is Fertility Leader of the Year North India, and this award goes to Dr. Sunita Chandra. She is the National Clinical Director for Morphus IVS. She is being recognized for her outstanding leadership and lifelong contribution to reproductive medicine, a renowned fertility specialist with advanced infertility training in Germany. In over 3 decades of experience in art, she has successfully treated thousands of patients. Emerging IVF Leader South India, and the award goes to Dr. Sita Kerimala. She is being recognized as an emerging IVF leader in South India for her growing contribution to the field of reproductive medicine and fertility care. Do we have ma'am in the room? I request somebody to please take this award on behalf of her. Our next category is Emerging IVF Specialist of the Year North. clinical expertise. I request all the winners to please stay back as we'll be having a group picture once the award ceremony is done. And I request everyone to keep rolling their hands as I'm going to announce our next category, which is Rising Star in IVF North. And the award goes to Dr. Sonal Agarwal. She is a gynecologist and IVF specialist at Seed of Life IVF Center and consultant at GR Hospital, being recognized as the rising force in reproductive medicine through her commitment to fertility care and her passion for helping families achieve their parenthood goals. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Rising Star in IVF National. And the award goes to Dr. Milind Kolvalkar. He is a leading fertility doctor and IVF specialist from Goa, being recognized for his growing impact in the field of reproductive medicine with more than 20 years of experience in IVF and reproductive surgery through advanced treatment and fertility preservation. Congratulations, sir. Our next category is Young IVF Entrepreneur of the Year. And the award goes to Dr. Shikha Tandon. She is a clinical director of Matrutva Fertility and IVF, being recognized for her entrepreneurial vision, dedication to infertility management, and as a gynecologist with decades of experience in fertility care, she has successfully combined clinical excellence with innovation. Our next category is Embryologist of the Year East, and the award goes to Dr. Rajendra Sahu. He is the Chief Embryologist and Lab Director at Future Fertility IVF, being known for his outstanding contribution to embryology and assisted reproductive technology. Do we have Dr. Rajendra Sahu in the room to collect the award? Request somebody to please collect this award on behalf of him. Moving on to our next category, but I also request our audience to keep rolling their hands as this motivates and makes them let our winners feel happy. Embryologist of the Year North goes to Dr. Karina Dubey. She is a senior embryologist at Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital, being known for her valuable contribution to the field of clinical embryology. Through her expertise, precision and commitment to laboratory excellence, she has played an important role in supporting successful fertility treatments and helping aspiring parents achieve their dream of parenthood. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Embryologist of the Year North. And this award goes to Dr. Poonam Singh. Dr. Poonam Singh of Repro Art Fertility is known for her exceptional expertise and contribution to the field of embryology. Renowned for her proficiency in IVF, CSI, embryo culture and cytopreservation, she has consistently demonstrated excellence in reproductive medicine. Congratulations, ma'am. Please give us a round of applause. Our next category is Embryologist of the Year South, and this award goes to Dr. V. Linen Babu. He is a Chief Embryologist for Komali Fertility Center, Guntur. This distinguished professional is recognized for excellence in embryology and assisted reproductive technology, with expertise spanning gamete handling, embryo culture, vitrification, and advanced micromanipulation techniques. Our next category is Embryologist of the Year, and this award goes to Dr. Dharamraj Padanisamy. He's a urologist, fellowship trained andrologist, reproductive medicine specialist, and part of Sabine Hospital and Research Center Private Limited. He is known for his significant contribution to male reproductive health. Congratulations, sir. Our next category is IVF Researcher of the Year. And this award goes to Dr. Parul Sarvalia, a highly experienced clinical embryologist and scientist associated with embryology, Neelam Hospital, super specialty healthcare, is being recognized for her contribution to research and scientific advancements in reproductive biology. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is contribution to advancing fertility care. This award goes to Dr. Sarthak Bakshi. He is the founder and CEO of Lisa IVF, being recognized for his significant contribution to reproductive healthcare services and healthcare entrepreneurship. A recipient of prestigious recognition including Forbes 30 Under 30, Asia 40 Under 40, Entrepreneur 35 Under 35. Award goes to Dr. Smita Chaudhary Kantilla. She is the CEO of Mitra Fertility and Beyond and founder of Belenso Ortho, being recognized for her unwavering commitment to patient-centric healthcare leadership. Do we have ma'am in the room? Can somebody else collect this? Department, Government of NCT Delhi. So kindly join us on stage. It is an honor to have you with us as a special guest. So we would like to hear a few words.
Good evening, everyone. It is indeed a privilege to be part of this IVF Excellence Awards 2026 and among such an esteemed gathering. We have clinicians here, esteemed embryologists, researchers, healthcare leaders, and organizations who have contributed a lot in shaping the future of reproductive healthcare in India. Really, indeed, a very esteemed gathering. I'm actually thankful to Dr. Naveen Nishchal, the founder of Voice of Healthcare, and his team, Ma'am Pinky Chahar, Ma'am Khushbu Sharma, for giving me an opportunity to be present in this event and for all the honors. Now, as you know, over the years, we have witnessed a remarkable progress in the fertility care. Assisted reproductive technologies, diagnostics, and patient support systems. Behind every successful fertility journey lies the dedication of healthcare professionals who work tirelessly day and night to bring hope and happiness to countless families. As Dr. Naveen told, out of every 6 couples, one couple they become hopeless, and their actually their pain we all should understand. And that is why the excellence of these awards and recognition of such professionals come to picture. It is really important to understand the agony of such parents and to honor such professionals, such awardees who really contribute a lot to remove their pain. Today's awardees represent excellence, innovation and commitment to improving reproductive healthcare system. These recognitions are not only a celebration of their achievements, but also these reflect an encouragement to continue raising standards of quality, ethics, patient safety, and clinical excellency in fertility care. I congratulate all the awardee winners so far and the future awardees who are going to receive the awards, nominees and organizations being recognized this evening. Your contributions are making a meaningful difference in the lives of individuals and families across the country. Now, I would fail to do my duty if I do not commend the role of Voice of Healthcare for creating this platform that recognizes and celebrates excellence in this field of fertility and reproductive medicine. Thank you, Dr. Naveen and their entire team for organizing such an event. So I wish all of you a continued success in your efforts to advance fertility care and bringing the joy of parenthood to many more families. Thank you so much and my best wishes to everyone. Jai Hind.
We request you, sir, to please stay back with us to give away the award. Our next category is Excellence in Reproductive Medicine West, and the award goes to Dr. Parth Joshi. He is the Center Executive Director and Center Head at Indira IVF Ahmedabad, being recognized for his excellence in reproductive medicine with more than 14 years of experience in OBGYN reproductive medicine. Please give him a big round of applause. Our next category is Leading Fertility Chain West India, and this award goes to Sneh Hospital and IVF Center. Please join me in welcoming Sneh Hospital's team for this award. They are recognized for its excellence in fertility care, combining advanced reproductive science with a deeply compassionate approach to patient care. Through their commitment to helping families achieve parenthood, it has emerged as a trusted and respected name in fertility healthcare. Our next category is Pharma Excellence in Gynae and Pro-Fertility Care, and this award goes to Sri Venkatesh International Limited. Sri Venkatesh International Limited is recognized for their commitment to advancing women's health through innovation and reliable healthcare solution. Its continued contribution to gynecological and fertility care has created a meaningful impact for both patients and healthcare provider. Please give them a big round of applause. Our next category is Clinical Excellence in Assisted Reproductive Technology North, and this award goes to Dr. Neeti Vijay. She is the Director of Clinics and at Avia Fertility, Phoenix Hospitals, known for a clinical excellence and academic contribution to assisted reproductive technology, a faculty member at ICAT and recipient of the Best Paper Awards at Fertivision 2018. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Clinical Excellence in Assisted Reproductive Technology, Central India. And this award goes to Dr. Neeraj Pahaljani. Dr. Neeraj is Pahaljani of Pahaljani's Women's Hospital and IVF Center, known for one of the pioneers of IVF practice in India. With over a distinguished career in assisted reproductive technology, she has helped over 25,000 aspiring parents to achieve their dreams. Our next category is Clinical Excellence in Assisted Reproductive Technology East, and this award goes to Dr. Pooja Kumari. She is the Director and Senior IVF Specialist at Pooja IVF Fertility Center. Known for her clinical excellence in assisted reproductive technology, a highly renowned infertility and IVF specialist. Based in Patna, Bihar, and widely respected for her compassionate approach to reproductive medicine, fertility preservation, and patient care. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Excellence in Advanced IVF Practice, and this award goes to Dr. Reema Sirkar. She is a Zonal Clinical Director for the North Zone and Executive Director at Indira IVF Chandigarh and Dehradun. Known for her excellence in advanced IVF practice with over 18 years of experience in obstetric gynecology and reproductive medicine, along with specialized training from Homerton Fertility Centre, London. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Excellence in Affordable IVF Care East, and this award goes to Dr. Pallavi Kumar. She is known for her commitment to making quality fertility treatment more accessible to patients. With over 14 years of clinical experience and expertise in infertility treatment, including IUI, IVF, and high-risk pregnancy care. Our next category is Excellence in Clinical and Laboratory Operation in IVF. And this award goes to Dr. Vipin Chandra. He is being recognized for his excellence in clinical and laboratory operation in IVF. As Chief of Clinical and Lab Operations at Indira IVF, he leads clinical excellence across more than 175 centers and over 300 clinicians within India's largest fertility network with over 14 years of experience in reproductive and fetal medicine. Congratulations, sir. Excellence in Fertility and IVF Care North. And this award goes to Dr. Parul Prakash. She heads the Department of Reproductive Medicine at Artemis Hospital, Gurgaon, known for her exceptional contribution to fertility and reproductive medicine. With 20 years of experience in obstetric and gynecology and decade dedicated to reproductive medicine. Our next award is for Excellence in Fertility Care South, and this award goes to Dr. Ashwini S. She is a fertility specialist at Santati IVF, being known for her outstanding contribution to fertility care in South India with over 17 years of outstanding contribution, including 12 years of dedicated exclusive fertility assisted reproductive techniques. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Excellence in IVF Clinical Practice North, and this award goes to Dr. Anushka Madan. She is a Chief IVF Specialist and Medical Director, being known for her excellence in IVF clinical practice, a gold medalist in MD Obstetric and Gynecology, with advanced training in reproductive medicine from Germany. She brings over 26 years of experience in advanced fertility care. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Excellence in Reproductive Medicine and Fertility Care. This award goes to Dr. Payal Bajaj. She is recognized for her excellence in dedication in the field of reproductive medicine and fertility care through her commitment for excellence, patient-centered treatment and compassionate approach to infertility management. next category is Excellence in Women's Reproductive Health, North. And this award goes to Dr. Shashi Singh. Dr. Shashi Singh of Singh Test Tube Baby is being known for her excellence and long-standing contribution to women's reproductive health. With over 20 years of experience in reproductive medicine and fertility treatment, she has consistently demonstrated a commitment to clinical excellence, patient care, and helping families achieve their dream of parenthood. Please give her a big round of applause. To please show some energy in the room as we have a long list of awards, and I request everyone to please cheer the fellow award winners. Excellence in Women's Fertility and IVF Care, and this award goes to Dr. Aswati Nair, Clinical Director and IVF Specialist in Rajouri Garden, Delhi, being recognized for her excellence in women's fertility and reproductive health care. She has consistently delivered comprehensive and evidence-based fertility care. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Excellence in Advanced Gynecology and Fertility Care. This award goes to Dr. Shilpi Sood. She is known for her excellence in advanced gynecology and fertility care through her commitment to women's health, clinical expertise, and patient-centric approach. Her dedication to delivering comprehensive and compassionate care continues to support women and families at every stage of their journey. Our next category is Fertility Expert of the Year, and the award goes to Dr. Neerja Mukhila. She is the founder and director of Dr. Neerja's Fertility Center, a highly accomplished fertility specialist and laparoscopic surgeon. She has built one of the leading fertility care networks across Telangana. Our next category is Fertility Leadership Award National, and this award goes to Dr. Sabine S. He's the founder and chief fertility specialist at Sabine Hospital and Research Center. Being known through his vision, clinical expertise, and commitment to advancing reproductive medicine, he has helped strengthen the fertility care across As we are continuing this evening of celebration of excellence, I would like to take this moment and I would like to welcome and honor our another special guest whose contribution to patient advocacy and public health has been truly remarkable. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Satyajit Kumar, Chief Medical Officer and State Program Officer, Directorate of Family and Welfare, Government of NCD. So can we please have you on stage and let's welcome him with a round of applause. A big round of applause for Dr. Satyajit Kumar. Thank you, sir. We request you to kindly stay back with us for the award ceremony. Thank you, sir. We now move on to our next category, which is IVF Excellence Award North India. And this goes to Dr. Puneet Rana Arora. She is being known for her outstanding excellence in leadership in reproductive medicine, with more than 25 years of experience in fertility treatment, advanced training in reproductive medicine. She has consistently delivered world-class fertility care while helping countless couples realize their dream of parenthood. Our next category is IVF Specialist of the Year South, and this award goes to Dr. Fazlun Nisa. She is a managing director of Hira Fertility Center, being known for her dedication to advancing fertility care and supporting aspiring parents on their journey to parenthood. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next award is Leading Fertility Specialist East, and this goes to Dr. Sarbajya Singh, co-founder and managing director of Mirai IVF and Fertility Center, being known for her outstanding contribution to fertility care in Eastern India. Through Mirai IVF and Fertility Center, she has brought advanced reproductive treatments closer to patients in Ranchi and neighboring cities. Our next category is Leading IVF Specialist of the Year, North India. And this award goes to Dr. Archana Dhawan Bajaj, founder and director of the Nurture IVF Center. With over 15 years of experience in advanced training in assisted reproductive technology, she has built a reputation for delivering personalized fertility solutions. Leading Women's Health and Fertility Specialist, East India. And this award goes to Dr. Sutappa Sen, a leading women's health and fertility specialist in East India. Through clinical expertise, compassionate patient care and commitment to advancing fertility treatment, she has positively impacted the lives of countless women and families while setting high standard of excellence in the field. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Patient-Centric Innovation Leader in Fertility Care. This award goes to Mr. Durga Sattapathy. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Durga Sattapathy. With over 28 years of experience in pharmaceutical industry,
his belief is simple. Innovation must serve patients first, improving patient convenience and compliance. And that belief shaped category defining innovations. India's purest aqueous progesterone.
Once again. Moving on to our next category, which is Leading Gynecologist of the Year, North. And this award goes to Dr. Shweta Mehendiratta. She is the Director and Head of Obstetrician and Laparoscopic Gynecologist at Yatharth Hospital, Faridabad. Our next category is Reproductive Medicine Leadership Award, South. And this award goes to Dr. Divya Shri P.S., Medical Director of Genia Fertility Center, Bangalore, known for her outstanding leadership and contribution to reproductive medicine. She has played a pivotal role in advancing fertility care, professional collaboration, and reproductive healthcare standards across region. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Outstanding Contribution to Fertility Care, and this award goes to Dr. Tushita Jain. With over 20 years of experience in obstetrics and gynecology, she has earned the trust and respect of patients through her compassionate approach, clinical expertise, and commitment to delivering care supported by latest medical advancements. Our next award is for outstanding contribution to reproductive medicine. And this goes to Dr. Bindu Garg. With career spanning 45 years and infertility, she has established herself as one of the most respected names in fertility care. Our next category is Outstanding Contribution to Women's Reproductive Health. And the award goes to Dr. Sandhya Sharma. She is the Director of Prem Hospital Research Center and Prem Super Speciality Trauma Center. As a highly respected senior gynecologist and IVF consultant, she has led one of the region's most trusted healthcare innovation. Our next category is IVF Pioneer Award National. And this award goes to Dr. Rishikesh Pai. It is our honor to be with the IVF Pioneer Award for his extraordinary contribution to fertility care and reproductive medicine in India. With more than 40 years of experience across infertility, he has helped thousands of couples achieve parenthood through advanced fertility treatment and personalized care. Our next category is Outstanding Contribution to Reproductive Medicine. And this award goes to Dr. Kuldeep Jain. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to reproductive medicine, through clinical excellence, innovation and dedication to patient care, positively impacting the lives of countless families. Our next award is for Senior Fertility Leader of the Year, and this goes to Dr. K.D. Nair. A Senior Fertility Leader of the Year with remarkable contribution to reproductive medicine and presently serving as Chief Consultant in Fertility and IVF and Head of the Department at Akansha IVF Center, Mother Chanan Devi Hospital. He brings over 4 decades of experience gained in India and abroad. Our next category is Jury Special Award for Leadership in Women's Health and Reproductive Medicine. And this award goes to Dr. Neena Malhotra. Special Award for Leadership in Women's Health and Reproductive Medicine in recognizing of her exceptional contribution to clinical excellence, academic leadership and reproductive health care in India. As President of Indian Fertility Society and Professor and Head of the Department of Obstetric and Gynecology at AIIMS, she has played a pivotal role in advancing women's health, strengthening reproductive medicine practices. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations. Our next category is Lifetime Achievement Award in Reproductive Medicine. Ladies and gentlemen, this award goes to Dr. Brigadier R.K. Sharma. Career spanning more than 3 decades, having successfully managed over 30,000 fertility and IVF cases, he is widely regarded as one of India's most respected IVF specialists, an alumnus of AFMC Pune and former professor and head of department at premier military medical institutions. Thank you, sir, and and congratulations. Our next award is for Global Precision IVF Innovation Award, and this goes to Lilac Insights for groundbreaking work in applying AI and predictive analytics to IVF by transforming complex data into actionable clinical decision. Lilac Insights is setting new benchmark for precision, personalization and hope in fertility care. Our next category is Emerging Fertility Center of the Year, and this award goes to Gunjan IVF Center. They are known for their dedication to delivering advanced fertility treatment supported by clinical excellence and compassionate patient care. Under the leadership of Dr. Gunjan Gupta, the center continues to make a meaningful difference in helping families achieve their dream of parenthood. Let's give a round of applause to Gunjan IVF Center. Thank you, ma'am, and congratulations to the team. Our next category is Emerging Standalone IVF Center Regional, and this award goes to New World Fertility. They are known for their commitment to personalized fertility, treatment and compassionate care. By integrating advanced reproductive technology with holistic approach, the center continues to make a positive difference in the lives of families pursuing parenthood. Let's give them a round of applause. I would like to have your attention once again. As we are celebrating the evening of excellence, we would like to take a moment to welcome and honor another distinguished guest whose contribution to patient advocacy and public health has been truly remarkable. Please join me in welcoming none other than Mrs. Shobha Tuli, founding member and secretary, Thalassemics India, secretary, Thalassemia International Federation and chair, Indian Subcontinent Networking of Hemoglobin Disorder, as our special guest. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And we request you to kindly stay back with us for the award ceremony.
Good evening to all of you. It's my pleasure to be here among so many dedicated professionals, very elegant, beautiful ladies and handsome men who are helping families experience one of life's greatest joys, the joy of becoming parents. For more than 3 decades, I have worked closely with children and families affected by thalassemia and sickle cell patients. I have seen the struggles of parents who spend their lives ensuring that their children receive regular blood transfusions and medical care. I have also seen the emotional and financial burden that inherited disorders can place on an entire family. You must be aware that most of our patients pay the cost of the treatment from their own pockets. That's why I strongly believe that awareness, screening, and timely counseling can change lives. Today, fertility specialists are not only helping couples achieve pregnancy, they are also helping families make informed decisions and giving future generations the opportunity to live healthier lives. Through genetic screening and responsible reproductive care, many inherited disorders, including thalassemia, can be prevented. I can see Dr. Pai here, and there are so many gynecologists whom I know. So this is a very personal and touching and emotional appeal and a humble submission from a thalassemia mother, from a parent advocate group working across 6 countries globally, saying that, well, there is a time that we all have to come together and to make sure that such inherited genetic disorders, since they are preventable, something should be done before the government takes the call to take this on a prevention mode. Every healthy child born is a blessing, you all know. Every family that is empowered with knowledge is a success story, and I have seen it very closely. And every healthcare professional who contributes to this journey deserves our deepest respect. I congratulate all the award winners and nominees being recognized this evening. Your work brings hope to thousands of families and makes a meaningful difference in society. I would also like to thank Voice of Healthcare and their team for creating this wonderful platform that celebrates excellence while reminding us of the larger impact our work can have on future generations, which are so important to us. Let us continue working together like a team towards a future where every child has the chance to be born healthy and every family has the opportunity to live free from the burden of preventable genetic disorders. Since I have seen this disease from a very closely, because I happen to be a mother of a thalassemia girl way back in 1970s when there was nothing in place. But today, since our country has progressed, and I feel it's time that we all have to work together to make sure that such inherited disorders can be prevented and should be prevented, and for which I would like to request Voice of Healthcare also to take this forward. Thank you so much once again, and Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. We request you to kindly stay back with us for the award ceremony. And I also request all the award winners who are outside or in the room to please stay back, as at the end we will have a group picture. And we truly want you to be in this photo so that we can capture that moment. Moving on with our awards. Excellence in Advanced Reproductive Genetic Testing. And this award goes to Life Cell Diagnostics. Through advanced genetic testing solutions and diagnostics excellence, by providing clinicians and families with actionable genetic insights, an organization that continues to support better reproductive health outcomes and informed healthcare decisions. May I have Lifestyle Diagnostics teams on the stage? And let's give them a big round of applause. Congratulations, everyone. Our next category is Excellence in Fertility Therapeutics and IVF Care. This award goes to Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited. Can we have the team on stage? They are known for their innovation, quality, and patient-centric fertility solutions. It's their ongoing effort to support clinicians and improve fertility outcomes, which have strengthened the IVF ecosystem across India. Let's have a big round of applause for Bharat Serum and Vaccines Limited. everyone to keep this energy as I'm going to invite Excellence in Preventive Reproductive Genomics. And this award goes to Genes to Me. They are known for their leadership in reproductive genomics and its commitment to empowering clinicians and families with advanced genetic insights. Through scientific excellence and innovation, the organization continues to shape the future of preventive reproductive health care. Do we have team of Genes to Me? Please give them a big round of applause. Our next category is Excellence in Reproductive Genetics and Genomic Solutions. This award goes to Revity. They are recognized for their pioneering work in reproductive genetics and diagnostics innovation. Through advanced genomic technology and commitment to scientific excellence, the organization continues to enable informed clinical decision and improve reproductive healthcare outcomes. Congratulations to the team. Our next category is Art Bank of the Year. And this award goes to Vasundhara Art Bank, unit of mybaby.com. They are known for their commitment to quality, compliance and ethical ART practices. Through specialized donor services and strong support for fertility clinics, the organization plays a vital role in advancing reproductive health care and helping families fulfill their parenthood aspirations. Our next category is Best Fertility Education Program. And the award goes to Samvad, our Gufic Biosciences Initiative. A significant contribution to fertility education and professional development by creating a valuable platform for scientific learning, knowledge exchange and collaborative growth. It continues to strengthen awareness and advancements within reproductive health care. Please give them a big round of applause. Our next category is Best Fertility Insurance Solution Provider. And this award goes to Safetree Insurance for its valuable contribution to supporting fertility journey through accessible and reliable insurance solution tailored to reproductive healthcare needs. Its commitment to financial protection and patient empowerment continues to make a meaningful impact on families pursuing parenthood. I request all the awardees to please stay back for a few more minutes, as at the end we'll have a group picture with all the winners and participants. Our next category is Fertility Hospital of the Year, Central India. And this award goes to Peljani's Women's Hospital and IVF Center for their excellence in fertility care, maternal health and patient-centered services. Through advanced clinical expertise and a compassionate approach, the hospital continues to support families on their journey to parenthood while delivering quality healthcare outcomes. Our next category is Innovative Solution for Women's Health and Wellness. This award goes to Ultra Femme Mayor Organics for their dedication to improving women's health through innovative and patient-focused healthcare solution by supporting wellness and enhancing quality of life. The organization continues to make a valuable contribution to women's healthcare. Outstanding Patient Care in IVF North, and this award goes to Prime IVF Fertility and Women Hospitals Private Limited. Being known for their setting high standards in fertility care through personalized treatment, ethical medical practice and clinical excellence. Guided by Dr. Nishi Singh, the center has transformed countless parenthood journey through advanced reproductive solutions and dedicated patient support. Let's have a big round of applause for Prime IVF Fertility and Women's Hospital. Our next category is Standalone IVF Clinic of the Year Regional, and this award goes to Urvara Fertility Center. Under the leadership of Dr. Richa Singh, the center has made a meaningful impact by combining clinical expertise with compassionate care, helping numerous families achieve their dream of parenthood. Congratulations, ma'am. Our next category is Medical Device of the Year in Male Fertility Diagnostics. This award goes to X12 Pro, ADVI Biosciences. Known for advancing male fertility diagnostics through innovation, precision, and scientific excellence. Its contribution to improving diagnostics accuracy and supporting better reproductive health care outcomes make it a deserving recipient of this recognition. Congratulations to the team. Category is Fertility Center of the Year Regional, and this award goes to Ziva Fertility for their dedication to delivering advanced fertility care with compassion, innovation and clinical excellence. Guided by Dr. Shweta Goswami, the center continues to support families on their parenthood journey through personalized treatment and exceptional standard of care. I request everyone to please give them a big round of applause. Our next category is Excellence in Multi-City Fertility Care, and this award goes to KIMS Fertility IVF Center for advancing fertility treatments and compassionate care closer to patient across multiple locations. Its commitment to accessibility, quality and clinical excellence continues to make a meaningful impact on countless parents. Our next category is Fertility Chain of the Year North. And this award goes to Krista IVF for excellence and accessibility and compassionate fertility care. As one of North India's leading fertility network, it continues to support families through advanced reproductive treatment and a strong focus on positive patient outcomes. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. And now, last but not the least, Fertility Chain of the Year National. And this award goes to Indira IVF for transforming fertility care in India through its nationwide presence, clinical excellence, and dedication to patient success by making advanced reproductive treatment and more accessible across country. The organization continues to set benchmark in fertility healthcare. Congratulations to the team. Let's give them a big round of applause. Now I would like to invite all the award winners to please come towards stage as we'll be having a group picture to capture this memorable winning moment. I request everyone to please come forward for the group picture. Even who are outside, I request everyone to please come forward for the group picture. We have a very big stage. I think we can all adjust here. We can also use the stairs. Few of us can stand at the stairs. Yes. I think ma'am up below one. That would be, so that we can see everyone. We can also use the stairs because we want everyone to be seen clearly in this photograph, holding their trophies. Anyone who wish to come forward? I think our cameraman will help us understand whether all are visible or not.